Sailing to the US as a non-US resident or Canadian citizen? Just wait. You may need a B1, B2 visa. Hi and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to cover the B1, B2 visa and what you need to do to get one. As a non-Canadian or US citizen, we found out that Tomoko cannot enter the US, including Puerto Rico and the US Virgin Islands, by private boat. However, she can fly there, drive over the border, or catch a commercial ferry and be given a 3-month visa upon arrival. This doesn't work for us because we are in the Caribbean and we're going to be sailing. We're currently in Colombia and planning to sail northeast. Puerto Rico makes the obvious choice because it's directly northeast of us and it would be a great place to provision, but unfortunately we can't. If we were to arrive on the shores of Puerto Rico by a private boat, Tomoko would be detained and deported. This is what we were told by the customs agency over the phone. According to Travel State Gov, every country has different waiting times to get the B1, B2 visa. Current times in Colombia are 661 days. We looked into other countries around the Caribbean that we will be sailing around or to. Dominican Republic is around 217 days. Jamaica is around 15 days. Barbados is around 32 days. So what's required for the B1, B2 visa? So you have to submit a form, which is the DS-160 on the Department of State website. You choose your location for the interview that you want to do. And you can choose those locations by going to the website and having a look at the global wait times. So the global wait times differ around the world, and this link here shows you where you can go to get that information, as well as it shows you the times. You need to upload a passport style photo, pay the visa fee, which I believe is currently $185. Schedule your U8 tourist visa interview, prepare evidence of your intentions. So you have to have an itinerary, tell them what you're doing. As a sailor, I would imagine it would be pretty self-explanatory why you would need the B1, B2 visa. Bank account statements will help you, and bring an extra photo just in case the ones you submitted weren't accepted. Of course, you have to attend the interview. The B1, B2 visa is good for 10 years and allows you to go into the country 6 months out of the time out of the year. So it's very similar to Canadian status. There's B1 and there's a B2 visa. B1 is for business, B2 is for a tourist visa. So that's the one that we need to get because we're going to be tourists sailing through. And I'll put a link down to everything that I talked about in the description below. And if you're traveling and sailing around the Caribbean, you want to get to Puerto Rico and you're not a Canadian or a US citizen, this is the visa that you have to get. Okay, thanks for watching.